Hey everyone, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun to treat your hip flexors. Whether you enjoy running 100-meter sprints to get your heart pumping, or you do yoga, your hip flexors can become stiff, sore, or carry tension. The Theragun is an amazing device to help you find relief, increase mobility, and get the most out of your body. So here's what you're going to do. Step 1, pick your attachment. I like the dampener for the hip flexors, but you can use whichever you like for this particular treatment. Remember, attachments allow you to personalize your usage for your own needs. If you have a Pro, you can adjust the arm angle to meet your need, but our ergonomic Theragun triangle design makes it easy to use almost anywhere on your body. Step 2, turn on your Theragun by holding down the power button, then set the treatment speed. Remember to always turn it on before applying it to your body. Now, determine which grip will feel the most natural for you to use while treating your hip flexors. I recommend the reverse grip, because it allows you the most control and allows you to apply greater pressure to really get in there and work out that tension. Step 3, now for the fun part, using your Theragun. If you're using your Theragun to activate or warm up your hip flexors, we recommend the following protocol. You'll apply the Theragun for 30 seconds total in 10-second increments, starting with the origin of your muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, then the insertion of your muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, and finally, you'll want to go back and forth for 10 seconds along the muscle fibers from end to end. If you're using your Theragun to recover or relax your hip flexors, we recommend using it all over your muscle, back and forth, side to side, for 2 minutes total. Your hips carry so much load from your upper body that the Theragun is going to be your favorite tool to work out this tension. Remember, we want your Theragun to feel like an extension of your hand, so explore all the speed, attachment, and grip combinations to find the one that's right for you.